Realme V5 is the latest smartphone launched by Realme in China. Let's start unboxing.
Just tell me if I'm
Realme V5 runs on Realme UI-based Android 10 software. The phone features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus hole-punch display, 90Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 720 octa-core processor with 2 GHz frequency paired with up to 8 GB RAM. The quad camera setup on the Realme V5 includes a 48-megapixel primary sensor, and there is another 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. Front camera features include 16-megapixel selfie camera. The Realme V5 packs a 5000 mAh battery with 30W flash charging. The company says that 3 minutes of charging will enable 5 hours of music playback. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB Type-C, Bluetooth version 5, 3.5mm audio jack, 5G, more.
Just tell me if I'm